And today, Colty and I are hanging out by the pool, and we're gonna play with this building blocks water park building block set. How cool is that?
Cool!
Are you super excited?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up, we're gonna dump all these parts out, we're gonna put it together, and then Colty's gonna show us how to use it. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. All right, Colty, let's see what all is in here.
Okay.
We have, whoa, look at all these pieces.
Hey, this looks like a tree.
It does look like a tree. We have a rubber mat or rubber strips. That's going to take a minute to put together, huh?
Hey,
We have an
look
instruction manual.
it.
Look, we have little figures. We have a little boy, and why are you throwing them? And a little girl. And all right, let's just dump it all out. All right, we're gonna get the instructions out.
Let's have another person.
Yep. Look at all these different designs we can build.
Wow.
Or I tell you what, we're gonna build it like on the box right here. Even have a toy boat.
Hey, will you put the little girl on there? Because I can't open the figures.
Hold on, I gotta put all these little seals on so it'll hold water. How cool is that? You fill it up with water and the little boat floats around.
Here's these things.
And they have different things that you can do. So what you have to do is make sure that all these red connector pieces that you put the rubber seals in them. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. All right, so you got the boat and the tree done. I've got all the seals in the connector pieces. So now we're gonna start and we're gonna put this together. These are really cool. You actually use this over here. Let's close this gate right here. And look, you use this right here and watch. Watch the boats.
Wow. Well, guess what?
And you let it go through.
Can we open this really
And look.
quick?
Look, you can actually make the boats drive. How cool is that? Oh, let's go the other way. We'll make them go the other way. Boom. Here they go. Look, here they come. You let them cross. Open the gate. They're racing. Do you want to back her up to the thing? All right, let's back her up so we can load her up. Here she comes. She's coming. Go this way, little miss. So you can see we got it all put together. You have this little current maker like paddle wheel that will make the boats drive themselves around. You have a loading ramp, you have a tree, you have a gate to direct traffic, and you have a crane as well. What do you think, Colty? Do you like it?
Yeah. Well, I'm going to jump in the pool.
So as you can see, it's a really cool little summer toy. Great for babies around Colton's age and younger kids as well. The little trough holds water all day long. You have 2 boats, you have 2 characters, you have the ramp, you have the crane, you have the little paddle wheel to generate a current so they can float themselves around. Just overall, a really fun outdoor summertime toy. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.